For the past 2 decades, we've been on a quest to perfect the connection between the rider and the motorcycle. It's not just a machine. It's an extension of who you are. It's a conduit for experiencing life in its rawest, most exhilarating form. Our goal has always been to achieve a seamless unity where rider and motorcycle operate as one in the name of pure sporting experience. This pursuit of harmony, known as Jin-Ki Kanno, has been the driving force behind our innovations. We've come a long way since our earlier advancements on transmission control systems, like YCCS on FJR and AutoShift on ROV. These were just the beginning, stepping stones towards something greater, something that would ignite the senses and push the boundaries of what's possible. And now, after years of dedication and ingenuity, we're proud to introduce the pinnacle of transmission control systems, Y-AMT. This groundbreaking technology of automated manual transmission represents a new era of riding, allowing a total and perfect symbiosis with a motorcycle, providing a sense of immersion that can be described as being in a flow state. So we've chosen to bring Y-AMT to the forefront of adrenaline-fueled performance, the MT-09.
The idea for this bike was born from one of Yamaha's philosophies. It began with us looking at what we could do to take our Jin-Ki Kanno ideal to the next level. The fun and sportiness of the MT-09 are its real strengths. And the Y-AMT version is one way we further elevated those strengths.
And what better proving ground than the legendary Hakone Turnpike in Japan? Here, among sweeping curves and breathtaking scenery, Y-AMT showcases its true sporty character. Every corner becomes an opportunity to push the limits, to lean into the unknown with confidence and control. The rapid reflexes of the hands, intricately linked to the brain and eyes, fully solidify the bond. The revolutionary shift switch allows shifting gears and tackling corners to be done with seamless precision.
This bike doesn't have a clutch lever or a shift pedal. Removing the need to operate both of them also removes unneeded chassis movement. That significantly ups the connection between rider and machine. Plus, taking a corner includes the braking zone before it and accelerating after you've gone through it. In those 2 areas, there is less to do and less chassis movement too. So during these processes of navigating a corner, the rider can concentrate at a higher level. But also, since there's no need to move their hand or foot to shift, more focus can go to choosing lines. That's a big plus with this system.
The structure of Y-AMT is simple. The MCU controls the movement of 2 actuators. The clutch is disconnected. Put in the gear, and the clutch is connected. This sequence of steps is performed in 1/10 of a second.
From a rider's perception, I think that the bike's behavior, or how it responds to inputs, is where it stands out the most. The rider conveys their intentions via the throttle, and to deliver drive and torque in line with those intentions, the clutch actuator's electronics help control the bike's behavior, and it makes the bike really fun to ride.
In order to provide an unprecedented sense of unity with the machine, the development team designed the Y-AMT from 3 approaches.
Especially in the lower gears, first, second, and maybe up to third. We actually have the clutch actuator just slightly feather the clutch to reduce the shock felt during shifts. That makes the chassis even more stable and helps keep the bike's behavior closer to the ideal. So it finally answered my question as to why I was able to feel a level of rider-machine unity like I never had before. The index finger tends to go unused while riding. so it can be used to easily shift gears when and as you want to. Putting the lever in an easy-to-find position and reachable just by slightly opening up your hand was the concept we had. First, please drop the preconception that no shift pedal equals comfort-focused. Our goal was purely on raising sporty performance to give riders a cornering experience at a higher level with more leeway and built-in performance to enjoy accelerating and braking even more. I hope everyone gives it a try and feels that fun for themselves.
Y-AMT immerses the rider in an unparalleled sense of unity with the machine, unlocking untapped potential and elevating every moment on the road. This is Yamaha's Jin-Ki Kanno.